Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
...2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 First Look. In recent years, Triumph has expanded its Tiger range to include more models than ever. From the Tiger Sport 660 to Tiger 850 Sport to the Tiger 900 lineup. The extended family now caters to avid off-roaders and long-haul tourers alike. Now, it's the range-topping Tiger's turn for an upgrade. And Hinckley spares no expense with the 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 lineup. In typical Triumph fashion, the flagship Tiger champions an inline triple engine, but the updated mill comes from the firm's heralded speed triple 1200 RS naked bike. In adventure bike form, the liquid-cooled, 1160cc power plant touts 147 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute, and 95 pounds-to-foot of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Similar to the Tiger 900 series. The triple benefits from Triumph's T-plane crank, delivering tractability in the low end without sacrificing the engaging mid-range and top end. Triumph wedges the large capacity triple into an all-new frame with a bolt-on aluminum subframe. A lighter and stronger tri-link swing arm steadies the ride at the rear while the semi-active Showa suspension adapts to the rider and road conditions. On the GT models, the semi-active system provides 7.9 inches of travel while the two rally variants enjoy 8.7 inches. Rake also differs between the two camps, with the GTs reporting 24.1 degrees and the rallies coming in at 23.7 degrees. Despite those differences, all Tiger 1200s received Brembo-style McCalipers mated to dual 320mm front discs, and a single-piston Brembo binder with a 282mm rotor at the rear. The Tiger's new compact design also results in a 55-pound weight saving. The slimmer waist and revised ergonomics improve rider comfort, and users can adjust the standard seat between 33.5 and 34.25 inches. The revised bodywork also emphasizes the Tiger's newfound poise and stance while seamlessly integrating the dual radiator system and downsized exhaust silencer. The 1200 family may share the same core components, but Triumph splits the model into 5 variants. The GT, GT Pro, and GT Explorer favor long-distance travel on the tarmac, while the Rally Pro and Rally Explorer prefer life off the beaten path. As a result, the road-focused GT line features 19-inch front and 18-inch rear cast aluminum wheels, and the Rally trims opt for dirt-worthy 21-inch 18-inch tubeless spoked wheelset. Conversely, the Explorer trims share a 7.9-gallon gas tank for extra mileage between fill-ups, while all other variants settle for the 5.3-gallon unit. In addition to the Tiger's differing hardware, Triumph equips each model with trim-specific software. The Rally Pro and Rally Explorer get all 6 ride modes, including Road, Rain, Sport, Off-Road, Off-Road Pro, and Custom. Triumph only removes the Off-Road Pro mode from the GT Pro and GT Explorer, but reduces the standard GT to Rain, Road, and Sport. While each Tiger 1200 boasts a 7-inch TFT display with My Triumph connectivity system. Only the Explorer models feature a blind spot radar system, heated grips and seats, and a tire pressure monitoring system, regardless of the trim. Each Tiger 1200 comes with dual-channel cornering ABS and cornering traction control. Of course, Tiger 1200 owners can also turn to Triumph extensive accessories catalog for everything from full luggage systems to auxiliary lights to comprehensive bike protection. The new Big Bore Adverb will be available in 4 colorways, including Snowdonia White, Sapphire Black, Lucerne Blue, and Matte Khaki, and it will hit Triumph dealerships in spring 2022. Pricing is as follows. 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 GT, $19,100. 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro, $21,400. 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Explorer, $23,100. 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Pro, $22,500. 2023 Triumph Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer, $24,200. For more information or to find a Triumph dealer near you, visit triumphmotorcycles.com.